Hey everybody, it's Lorie from Dee's back to show you another cute bell kit. I came across some more bells and I thought I'd share them with you, and this is going to be quick and easy. It's going to be a little simpler than the ones we've done before. So of course in your kit you're going to get your 20-inch swag. This is a really nice swag. It's 20 inches wide, so it's great. You just want to go through and fluff it up. And also in your kit, you will receive a tinsel tie to twist on the back to make your hanger. So I'm just going to hang this right up on my wreath board. And don't forget, these wreath boards are also available at shopdeeslouisville.com. And these are great if you're going to start doing a lot of floral. And it gives you a chance to step back and take a good look at what you're making. So we have this beautiful piece here that has the eucalyptus, the mixed greenery, the berries. It's just one of my favorite pieces. So everything that you need is going to be on this stem. So just like always, we're just going to lay this right in here. And we're going to use our greenery from our swag to help attach it in there. So just lay that in there. And then take a couple of these ties every so often and just twist them right around to hold this stem in place. And that just makes it nice and secure, so it's going to all stay in there and not come apart on you. Next, we are going to let's take our bell this time. And cut this tag off of my bell. And I'm going to remove this jute cord. And we have the white bells for these. And we're just going to take this, lay that in there just like so, and pull this greenery nice and tight so it keeps that bell nice and secure. Then we can go back again, actually with 2 more ties, and wrap that around where that loop is just to keep it even a little snugger. And next, we're going to take this. We have this beautiful plaid. I absolutely love this. This is a pretty one with the blues and the reds in it. And we're going to have our Merry Christmas ribbon this time in this kit, and our skinny polka dot for this project. So we're just going to drop our tail, and form our loop. So remember, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. Then we're going to take our Christmas ribbon, and we're going to drop this down where it says Merry Christmas, y'all, on our tail. And then we're going to make a loop, pinch, twist, and gather. So now we have Merry Christmas, y'all, going down that side too. And we're going to add our polka dot in here. Just pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And I'm going to add just a little bit more of this blue. And now we're just going to take our wire and wire this right off. Wrap that around and cinch it really nice and tight in the back to keep our bow together. Just kind of twist it like a bread tie. And then we're just going to add our bow right up here to the top of our swag. Just wrap that right around your greenery. I lost my wire there. It's kind of hiding in my greenery. And we're going to pull this nice and tight. Take our scissors and trim this off. And remember, you always want to trim your tails so that they're real pretty. I'm going to straighten up my Merry Christmas, y'all, tail. Put our pretty V-cuts in there. Really pretty, and that's quick and easy. And I think maybe we'll go back and we're just going to add a little small bow to the bottom here. I'm just going to use our polka dot, use a couple loops. And we're just going to tuck that right down below our bell. Again, you're just going to take your wire, twist it nice and tight, and then we're just going to wire this right to our greenery swag. Trim those tails again. And just kind of fluff everything up. Pull those berries out a little bit so you can see them. And there you have it. A quick and easy bell for your door. This would make a great gift. So make sure you check them out at shopdeeslouisville.com. They won't last long, so don't wait.